Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Portmore and we are going to give you an update on the road projects that the government is going to start this year, 2024. So the government recently announced that they are going to be spending $20 billion to fix local and community roads. $20 billion in this year, 2024. So they're going to spend $20 billion on the local and community roads this year. Now, the government says there's 22,000 kilometers of roadway in Jamaica, and 50% of those are in less than desirable condition. Their determination was are assessed to be in less than suitable driving condition or in total need of rehabilitation. So they'll be spending $20 billion towards those roads, towards local and community roads. The 22,000 probably includes all the roads in Jamaica. Then they are continuing the work on the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, which is a multi-year project that will transform road and traffic conditions in St. James and Westmoreland. Now remember, the Sangster International Airport is in Montego Bay, and that side of the island is straight tourism. Tourism is a major industry, so we get passengers or tourists from Montego Bay to Negril. They'll on around Montego Bay, that would be the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. Well, basically, I shouldn't say that. Let's put it this way. Montego Bay is a second city, and it has grown over the years, and they need to upgrade the road system so that people can move around the city quickly and efficiently, because there's a lot of gridlock now because of the traffic. So the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project will continue this year. And then the dualization of the highway from Harborview to Morant Bay, or specifically to Yalos, will continue this year. And they actually plan to open the Montego Bay to Yalos section of the highway this year. It's finished now, the Montego Bay to Yalos section, and they plan to officially open it sometime in 2024. And then remember that highway goes from Harborview to Portland. So they'll continue working on the other sections of that highway. Now, the government announced the CAPEX program, where they're going to be upgrading 6 major roads in Kingston and Portmore, or Kingston and St. Catherine. And Grange Lane is one of them. We actually have videos up of Grange Lane, and that project is to start this year. The Grange Lane work is also set to begin on Grange Lane in Portmore, St. Catherine. Grange Lane takes you from Portmore to Spanish Town. And that's a very busy corridor. And they're going to be upgrading it from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So that's going to start in 2024. And then they're going to build a ramp from Mandela Highway into Portmore. And that is going to also start in 2024. We have videos up on all these projects if you want more details on them. But the new entrance to Portmore will ease traffic conditions on the Mandela Highway. Basically, when you leave Kingston, Mandela is you go on Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica. It's 6 lanes, and the majority of the traffic goes to Portmore. So between Kingston or Spanish Town Road and the Portmore turn off by the stoplight, it's heavy traffic. Once you clear the turn to go into Portmore, the traffic eases up. So they're going to put an overhead ramp, basically a highway exit, to take you from Mandela right into Portmore. So it will definitely help with the traffic. And then they're going to begin work on to widen the bridge on Washington Boulevard. That's another major project under the CapEx program. It's going to start in 2024. So Washington Boulevard is 6 lanes, except when you come to the bridge. Now, if you're heading from Kingston to Mandela Highway, you have 3 lanes on that side. The bridge is 3 lanes. But if you're going in the opposite direction from Portmore to, say, Malines Road, if you're heading in that direction, or I should say from Mandela Highway to Malines Road, in that direction, when you get to the bridge by Patrick Gardens, right by the Tasty Patty, the 3 lanes on that side merge into 2 lanes because the bridge can only accommodate 2 lanes. So that's the bridge they're going to widen to 3 lanes so that you don't have a bottleneck of traffic right there. And then they have plans. Another major project to start in 2024 is the widening of Tonworthcombe Road and Lady Musgrave Road. And that will help improve traffic flow in Kingston. So Lady Musgrave Road is currently 2 lanes, and they are going to be expanding that road. Actually, that project includes East Kings House Road. So from Barbican all the way back to Lady Musgrave Road, which includes East Kings House Road, is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. So if you remember what Barbican Road looks like with the 4 lanes, a dual carriageway, concrete barricade in the middle, that's how their East Kings House Road and East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road will look. And it will definitely help with the flow of traffic. And then they are going to start the Tonworthcombe Drive project, which is the same thing, widening the road to 4 lanes, but that project will also include Arthurwick Drive. And that's going to start in this year also, 2024. So, of course, we will keep you guys updated on all these major projects, especially the $20 billion road projects. We're going to do another video that gives you more details on that one as to how they allocate their funds, most importantly, the contractor, and what roads will be fixed. Alright guys, so leave your comments, let us know what you think about these road projects that will start in 2024. Alright guys, have a good day.